bathi ukhumalo umdungwa umbulazi umzilikazi kamashobane wena wadla umuntu wamyenga ngendaba udonda intombi
ngiyabonga kakhulu. Hey, akakho uzophinda ngithole bukani nje. Ngiphethe ingqwethephu yommeli. Awu madoda, awu the-advocate. Thank you very much. And I honor you for what you have done when you protected your own rights. During the recent conversation. Oh, shut up. My brother, you're gifted. You're gifted. And we honor you. Yeah. Yeah, ngipesheya njalo angikho la eSouth Africa. Ngibalekile.
Are you in? Did you come in?
Yeah, I think I did. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Hayi ngaphekwa lokho bafuna nokungibulala nje straight. Njoba bethi bazochitha igazi lami because you know these people. They fail negotiating, they fail politics, they fail bringing back economy, they fail the agreement that was done during the Mandela coming out of jail, and now they are compromised.
Yeah.
Those are the reasons these people we can only kill.
Yeah.
And then when they came, you know why? Yeah. Definitely, I will multiply.
Exactly.
Kawalam, sabong. Okay. It was like it. Aw siyabonga futhi kawalam. Siyabonga futhi ngibona ngamehlo. Awushaya. Siyabonga kawalam. Ngeke sizwe ngabantu lapha. Izisha lezi. Unjalo bona. Uyangazi. Ongazela.
Hayi, ubingelela kanti